It's about 7:05 and I'm preparing dinner. The rain finally stopped. The lake was nice and calm. I took a paddle around 6th and 7th Lake. Saw some wildlife. First, a deer was coming down to the shore and peered at me through the trees by the shore. And then I watched a great blue heron hunt for frogs and actually get one and swallow it. And then when I went into 7th Lake, I noticed a beaver swimming around. He spotted me, swam over towards me, and when he got fairly close, turned in another direction and then slapped his tail and went underwater. So some encounters with wildlife. Tonight I'm having the other half of the split pea soup that has pasta in it, and then tea, and I'm having Norwegian crisp bread with the soup, and then an RX bar for dessert. And that should pretty much do it. And then I'm going to get camp ready for the night and turn in. Hopefully the weather is going to keep improving. According to the forecast, that's what's supposed to happen. And if that's the case, I will do some fishing tomorrow. And also I'm going to cruise the lake with the field recording equipment and just record the sounds as I paddle. So that's the plan. And then just let everything else hopefully dry out and have 2 days like that, Monday and Tuesday, and then Wednesday head out. Okay, so that's it.